Clothesline post installation. Required pieces. Insert the disc in the bottom part. Insert the triangle-shaped pieces, H, in top part. Use the auger to make a hole. Screw in 6" and remove the ground each time. Repeat until the pieces A is 8" above ground level. When 8" left to screw in, remove the triangle pieces H and add the section B on top of section A. Reinstall the triangle part, pieces H, on top of pieces B. Continue to screw in 6" and remove the earth until the pieces B is 42" above ground level, then stop to remove the earth. Screw in the remaining 6" in not mechanically moved ground until the posts remain 36" above the ground. Assemble pieces C and D with Allen bolt G using the bolt J2. Assemble the hook pieces I to the top of pieces D. You can also attach the clothesline. Assemble pieces B and C with Allen bolt G. The post must be tilted in the opposite direction from the clothesline, 2" at 24" mark and 4" at 48" mark. Fill the hole and compact the ground. Install the plate E and soil at ground level. It's important to compact the ground in front of the plate.